right, Toyota Tundra, we're doing the rear latch. Once you get all these bolts off, there's 8 of them. They're torque 30, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Torque 30s.
T30.
They take all these out. This guy will slide right off. You can pull on the handles to open the door. Once you get all that off, you get these little snaps. You gotta pop them off, like so. These will come up and out. And then you've got 8mm, 8mm. This whole thing drops out.
It's got a
Flip on the back.
yeah. Keep it in place.
There you go. And jump these crap out of the way. This is the part that broke down the handle. Just keeping it. This we probably could have even pulled on this maybe and made it go. I don't know. That's what broke it. That's the part number. Put that in the description below. Swap the locks out.
Make sure your pin lines up. Should just click in. Boom. Yeah. There it goes. Trying to.
Yeah, I'll get those bolts in first before I push on that.
Dang. Hopefully line up, folks.
Oh, nice.
That's a stiff one right there.
I'm gonna go ahead and since we got a part, we can go ahead and lube everything since it's dry.
Dry as a bone.
Alright guys, put the parts in the description, click the link. Peace.